welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite cleaning products.
Together we will shine, but we know
I get a lot of questions about some of the things I use in my cleaning videos because I don't really specify what they are, and unless you see the label then you don't really know. So I thought that I would just pretty much go over everything that I use, from washing my dishes to washing my clothes to cleaning our house. So if you're interested in seeing all of that, then here we go. Before we get started on all of the cleaning products, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you love all things cleaning, you gotta like the video. I know you're gonna like all of the products, so hit that thumbs up button and let's go ahead and show all the products. Okay, so since I normally start washing my clothes first before I really do anything else, let's go ahead and start with the laundry stuff. Within the last year, I've started using the little pods and stuff to wash my clothes, and I really love them. These are my favorite. I really love all of the scents that the Tide Pods have. This is just the one that I just happened to grab while I was out. This one's in Ocean Mist. Smells so good. Can't get it open. For a while I was couponing and I was getting some of the liquid detergent and I was trying to use all of that up. Those pods make it so convenient, and not just convenient, but as far as portion control. When it comes down to exactly how much you're supposed to be using on each load, you know, depending on the size. When you see the size of those pods compared to how much liquid you're pouring in, it's almost like, I'm being wasteful. And you really are, and that's what those companies want you to think. It's like, let's just use all of this. You need a whole cap full, and you really don't need a whole cap full, but I'm a victim to it. I've used a whole cap full in like a half a little load of clothes before, and who knew? But those little guys make it so, make things make so much more sense on how much detergent you're supposed to use. My clothes smell amazing. They're clean. I love it. Next up are these little fragrance pearls. This is from Suavitel. My mom actually got me these for Christmas. You know you're really into a cleaning thing when you're starting to get cleaning Christmas gifts. But these are the scent Field Flowers. Gotta open them. Oh, they smell so good. I love these. I'll throw these in before I put my clothes in. Sometimes I forget and I will sort of sprinkle them on top. But it does say on the packaging to put them in before for the best results. Put them in first. So I try to remember. It's a little hard, but I really love these. I do want to try like the Gain Flings. No, not the Gain Flings. What are they called? The pearls, the beads, the whatever beads. I want to try those, but until I'm done with these, I have like this much left. We're just going to keep going with these. So I really love these. We don't use dryer sheets in this house because they're such a fire hazard. So my husband was like, we're not doing dryer sheets. So I don't do dryer sheets here. So for our dishes, we do have a dishwasher. Thank the Lord up above, because I hate washing dishes. That is my least favorite thing. I don't like getting the stuff on my hands. That might be a little prissy sounding to you, but I don't know what it is. It just creeps me out a little bit. Even though I eat food with my hands, for some reason, once it's like sat there or, I don't know what it is, but thank God for a dishwasher. So for our dishwasher, we use the Cascade little thingies. I typically like to get either the Complete or the Platinum, but these were also a gift from like a birthday or a housewarming or something, and I'm still trying to use them up. So until then, I'm going to keep using these, but the ones that I like are the Complete or the Platinum because they really get everything off to the point where you don't have to like pre-rinse or anything, because what's the point? So let's talk about floors. If we're talking about my carpeted floors, you probably have seen me use this little mason jar of pet deodorizer. This is just the Arm & Hammer that I just pour into this just to keep it closed, because once you open those little cardboard boxes, you can't really close them back. So just to keep it safe and away, I put it in here and just close the lid. But this one's for pets. It's got baking soda and whatever else in it. I mean, you can DIY these at home with some baking soda and some like essential oils and whatever, but I just picked this up at Dollar Tree and it's good for me. Also, sticking with floors, we like this Murphy's oil soap. We do have hardwood floors. We don't have laminate for the most part of our house. We do have laminate in our bedroom, and then we have carpet in the other bedrooms and the den, and then we also have tile in the sunroom and the bathrooms. But I really love love this for the floors. It makes such a huge difference. It leaves them so shiny and so new looking. So I mix this in some water, and I also mix in an oldie but a goodie, but some pine sol. And of course, you gotta go with the lemon fresh scent, because it's not pine sol if you don't do the lemon scent. I love lemon. Lemon all day, everything. I love it. So I'll do this and some of that Murphy's oil in some water and just dilute it down and mop the heck out of these floors. This is technically an all-purpose cleaner, but I know you guys have heard me talk about this before. This is the LA's Totally Awesome. It's like an all-purpose concentrated cleaner. I use this for everything, but mainly in my laundry. So I figured I would just kind of toss it in there with everything else. But I would just pour a couple drops into our laundry, especially towels. For some reason, colored towels start to get this weird mildewy smell. I don't care how often you wash them. It's weird, and it's more so colored towels than white towels, and I don't understand why. But this will get rid of that funky scent that is all up in the threading. But this is also a good spot treatment. I use this specifically in my laundry, but you can use it all around your house. It's awesome. I get it at Dollar Tree. It's worth every penny. Next up is going to be Comet. I love Comet, especially this lemon fresh scent. Y'all, I just love lemon everything. All day, lemon, all day, everything. I use this in my toilets, in the shower, on our stovetop. We have a glass stovetop. I use it up there. I've used it in my sink. If you've seen some of my previous cleaning videos, and you know we have some rust stains in our sink, which were there prior to us moving in. I don't know how long they've been there. I use this on it, and I can't get the rust off. So I have had everybody commenting and trying to tell me how to get rid of the rust stains in the sink. Nothing is working, but it works for everything else. The sinks were shiny as far as what was left, like the porcelain part, but the stuff that was rusted is still there. But it's whatever. I still love my Comet. If I'm dusting anything, especially our bedroom furniture, I like to use Pledge, and of course in the lemon scent. Did you honestly think it was going to be any other scent than lemon? I love this stuff. Cody loves the way it smells. He's a big fan of Pledge, so when it comes down to dusting and putting a shine on like our wood finish stuff, we definitely go with this. Mainly in our bedroom, this is where I use this at. As far as an antibacterial, like bathroom cleaner, or even like an all-purposey cleaner, I have recently fell in love with this Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. It's in the scent, I think Wildflower. I typically don't like florally scents, but this is awesome. I was in the market for something that was antibacterial as well as being an all-purpose cleaner. So when I seen this, I fell in love with it super quick. When I got home, I was already like, I bought it and I didn't even have anything to clean. But I just started spraying and wiping stuff down. That's how excited I was about it, and I love it. So I've got to try out some more Method products. If y'all have some favorite Method products that you love, comment down below and let me know what's your favorite. As far as cleaning windows and glass go, we go with this Window Clean from Dollar Tree. It's actually from the LA's Totally Awesome brand as well, but this one is the vinegar based one. Doesn't have any ammonia in it. I really like this one. It gets the job done. It was only $1 for this super huge thing. If you've been watching my videos for quite some time, you've seen this little bottle full of purple liquid. I get a lot of questions asked, what is that purple stuff in that bottle? This is Fabuloso watered down. I know Fabuloso isn't the greatest thing ever in life as far as being chemical free. I would hate to even know what all's in it. Don't even tell me if you know. Obviously, we're not about, you know, chemical free greenness over here as far as my cleaning products. Maybe someday I will transition into that, but as for now, I am not. So this is just some watered down Fabuloso. I just spray wherever. It's all-purpose cleaner. Gets the job done. So if you've ever seen me use this, that's what this is. As far as disinfecting stuff goes, I always go for the Clorox wipes. Of course, the lemon scent. I don't know, guys. Well, this is technically a citrus blend, but it's lemon. All day, it's lemon. So, since I have pets in the house, best friend of life. Yes, my dog is potty trained, but we have recently brought in our beagle that has always been an outdoor dog. I have brought him in. I have talked my husband in to bringing him in, and he is not completely potty trained, so I am still in the process of it. This has been my best friend. It is very helpful when it comes to stuff like that. Or if you just have like quick spills or something going on in the house, especially like if I'm cooking chicken or something in the kitchen and I just want to quickly wipe some stuff down and, you know, get rid of the nastiness, I will use these. I have one of these in all the bathrooms and in the kitchen. I have these everywhere. And last but not least, I wanted to talk about a air refresher, an air mist, whatever. I talked about this in my last cleaning vlog, so I wanted to mention it on here, but this is the Febreze one. These are really cool because you can replace the bottom part, so you can keep the top sprayer and you just refill the bottom, which I think is really cool. So this scent is in Orchid. It smells so good. And the reason I like this, it has no aerosols, no dyes, and no heavy perfumes. I have some funky sinus situations, and all of those cleaning products don't bother me whatsoever. But then comes to like some Febrezes and some like air mists and fabric refreshers. Y'all, they will have me sneezing my head off. But I love them, especially when I'm just trying to refresh the couches, you know, like pet beds and stuff like that. Just like a quick little spritz over. But I don't want to sneeze my head off. This right here does not make me sneeze. Obviously, you just see me spray it and I haven't sneezed yet. And it's not itching my nose area whatsoever. This is bomb. I don't know what other scents they have. I love Orchid, so I gravitated toward that when I seen this. So okay guys, I hope I didn't go over too much stuff, and I hope it wasn't like extremely random for you to watch. I tried to keep everything in categories. So definitely comment down below with your favorite, your all-time favorite cleaning product. What can you not clean your house without? Your go-to thing. Comment down below and let me know what it is, because I'm always up for trying new things. Like I said, I'm trying to get into the more like the method stuff. I'm so excited about it because that just smells so good. And I was so excited just walking down the aisle in Target looking at the stuff. Like, I don't even know what's happening to me. Why am I excited looking at cleaning products? What is wrong with me? I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't do